Yo, what's up, guys? It's your boy Happy Boss back again on our YouTube channel. So today is Sunday. I just want to give you guys this really good video tips, amazing video on how to click your thumb on your binary.com to window split. So this video is especially for those asking how to click boom. This video is especially for you guys. When I mean boom, I mean just clicking on your two window split. So some don't really believe that you can use your two thumb without using your auto click, because we do have auto click video that we are already producing to like give you guys a big on how to also click. If you are using a laptop, then that video is for you. So for this video, especially for those using Android or iOS, so I'll show you guys how to click on your binary.com to window split. So this video is especially for you guys. Only subscribe to our YouTube channel, IP Boys FX. Welcome. Bang. Once you have uploaded your two window split, what you need to do is that you go to your barrier offset. The first window need to be on plus. I have to do this really quick. Let's say plus 2.00. Then you go back. The second window will be on minus. Just pay really attention on this video so that you get the point. This should be on minus 2.00. So we go back, then wait for it to upload. So once you do this, the windows will automatically change. You understand? You're clicking on the first window on the high, on the lower window you're clicking on the lower. So you bring them closer together. So for the payout of this is that you'll be making 40 cents on each trade you took. So you don't need to trade much, have a daily target. So all you need to do is that you use your double click hand, because some normally say that you can use two thumb to click on the video. So on this video I'll do it and demonstrate it so that you will see it how I use my two hands, my two thumbs to click on the video on this purchasing button. So really quick, I'll do this. So the first one is this. You click on this. So wait for it to play out. One will win and one will lose. So that's how you make money. The one covers the loss of the one the one that one covers the loss of the one that lose. So that is it. You can see this one won and this one lost. So I'll do it again. You can do it so many times, but you always just need to do it on your target profit. Once you hit your profit of the day, you can target $5 per day or $10 per day. You are gone, depending on the amount of money you are trading with. So I will do it like 3 times, then I'll maybe call it a day. This is the second one. You click with your two hands at the same time. You don't click this one and click again. You click at the same time and accurate, and you must make sure that you have a good internet connection before doing this. So this is the second one. The last one I'll be doing. This is the last one I'll be doing. You bring them closer together. You click. Then wait for it to play out. You do this so many times, it will win. So once you get it correctly, you always have a winning trade. All you need to do is just, okay, this one lost. Thank God that this video showed when this one lost. So we'll be clicking again, we'll be adding up. Once you lose, all you need to do is to just add up your balance, make it 2 and make this one 2. Because I know that this strategy is all about risk management. Once you lose, just add your balance, add them together, do it like 2 times. Let's say you click, oh sorry, this one didn't click. You see, always click at the same time. So let's see how it goes. you click at the same time. So this one won and this one lost, so we gain our lost. So you need to do it like 2 times. Then after the 2 times, you go back to your $1 stake. So doing it again at the same time, then you wait. So this is the second one you are taking, the second trade you are taking. So once it's won, we go back to our $1 stake. So that's how it works. Just wait. Okay, fine, we regain our profits back. So all you need to do now is to just go back, click $1, and also go back here and also click $1. So I'll trade once more so that to show you that you click only at the same purchase time. You click on higher button and on lower button at the same time. So this is how you click it. You click at the same time. Click at the same time with no delay. You must make sure that you have a good internet connection. So if you are watching this video, you just comment below and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can see one won, one lost. You must make sure that you are clicking at the same time. So this is how it looks like. So make sure that you are trading a proper strategy and also backtest at your demo account before texting in your real account. Peace up guys, have a wonderful day.